Finally, say start. I am delighted to be here to join you in celebrating the 5th anniversary of CNBC TV 18. I am also pleased to learn that an overseas channel and a Hindi business channel are being newly launched. I must compliment Raghav Bhel and his colleagues who have contributed to the success of this media venture. The past decade or so has witnessed a boom in Indian media. This has given many young women and men the opportunity to exhibit their talent and creativity. Never before has the Indian media scenes been as exciting a place to work in as it is now. I compliment our media leaders for their commitment and professionalism. There has been an exponential growth both in the number of consumers of news and of its suppliers. In 1990, we had only one television channel and a limited business media. Today, there are scores of TV channels and several business channels weighing with one another for the viewer's attention and the advertiser's budget. The new turn in economic policy that we took in 1991 and the increase in demand for information have clearly played an important role in this process. The quantitative growth of media has also helped in its qualitative development. Competition has quite understandably contributed to greater creativity. There is, of course, some understandable concern that has been expressed about some of the values and images we are transmitting through television. I think media managers must pay attention to these concerns. There must be commitment to both quality and values in your program. The media has an important developmental role to play, especially the business media, and I am happy that channel like yours play this role with competence. I am happy to note that CNBC TV 18 has launched a global channel for overseas viewers. The Indian diaspora is a vast pool of talent and energy, and I am heartened to see so many young Indians living abroad now wanting to come back and participate in our economic growth processes. We must enable our overseas Indians and people of Indian origin to more actively engage with our motherland. That is why I had recently announced that our government will grant dual citizenship to all such overseas Indians who live in countries that permit this possibility. I do hope a day will come when any person of Indian origin anywhere in the world can return to this motherland and contribute to its glory. I hope your new channel will not be aimed at the overseas Indian community alone, but also at the international community. The world must know that what is happening in India. Recently, when Doordarshan launched its direct-to-home service, I urged DD to recapture its role as a public service broadcaster. I am conscious of the fact that private channels have to be more concerned about market compulsions since advertising revenue is your only source of income. I am therefore engaged by the fact that you see market opportunities in launching a Hindi business channel and in going global. Our non-English speaking citizens are increasingly participating in our market economy and deserve to have the same access to information that English speaking Indians have. I hope there will be more Indian languages, business channels and publications so that more of our people understand the dynamics of the contemporary world stuff.